One Punch Man's first season stood out for the spectacular animation quality, but it definitely took a hit in season 2. Easily one of the biggest names in action comedy anime and manga is One Punch Man. The anime and manga smash hit created by the fittingly named mangaka One takes many of the tropes of Western superhero comics and Japanese kaiju movies and turned them completely on their heads. The show's first season catapulted the franchise already huge popularity even further, but it definitely took a hit on its season 2. One of the biggest criticism of the less well-received season 2 was a noticeable decline in animation quality. Here's a look at why the show has a change in studios and how it made the show's animation drastically worse. The show's first season was directed by Shigo Natsume and animated at Madhouse, with Chikashi Kabuto as a chief animator. Madhouse has been responsible for several notable and prestigious anime series such as Paranoia Agent, Black Lagoon, Death Note, High School of Death and Hunter x Hunter. Its work on One Punch Man was exceptional even by the studio's general high standards. With a premise so reliant on top-notch execution of a few jokes, the artistry of season 1 team did wonders, selling all the comedian action with gusto. As a result, the first season was very well received. But the highly anticipated season 2, however, wouldn't come without changes. Chikara Sakurai replaced Natsume as the director, while the production studio switched from Madhouse to JC Staff, and JC Staff has also made some hit series in the past, such as Food Wars and Bakuman. So it was expected that the quality would at least be maintained. The reason behind this change was that Natsume was busy on other projects, and since many of them joined the series to work with him, a complete animation overhaul was necessary to fill the gap. Season 2 of One Punch Man still has the perfect adequate art and animation, but the crisp and fluid vibrant animation of the first season is replaced with something far more stoic, bland and generic. The use of 3D computer generated animations, something that is almost never well received in anime, was also far more widespread. The still frames were also unfavorable compared to the flash animation. Monster death and key fight sequences were done off screen. Ultimately, the less than stellar visual were due to the season's rushed production, with Natsume and most of those who wanted to work under him leaving. Work started essentially from the ground up to the hotly anticipated series. Even with anime veterans like JC Staff at the helm, there was only so much that could be achieved in the truncated time frame. The animation of the season 2 is serviceable and it is not sustainably worse. It is just bad as compared to the season 1. Season 2's actual story elements were more warmly received than its animation, but despite this, many viewed the show's animation changes as a dip in the series quality as a whole. Hopefully, with a less rushed production, season 3 will return with the amazing animation quality just like as the first season. Amazing, well animated heights that the anime was once known for. So yeah, that was for the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.